Day everyone, I am Lorena E. Labor.
And I am Judy May Macalino.
We will be discussing our answer in activity 2 about CPR. And what is CPR and when it is performed?
The purpose of CPR is to keep oxygenated blood flowing to the brain and vital organs during a cardiac emergency until professional medical help arrives.
Number 2, what does DREBC stands for and why it is very important?
D. Anger. Ensure the scenes is safe for you and the casualty. R. Check for a response by speaking clearly and gently touching their shoulder, as if they are okay. S. And for help if there is no response, call emergency services immediately or ask someone else to make the call, request an AED if available. A stands for airway. Open the person's mouth to check for any obstructions. Tilt their head back and lift their chins to open their airway. B. Breathing. Look, listen, and feel for normal breathing for up to 10 seconds. If they are not breathing normally, start CPR. C. CPR. Perform 30 chest compressions followed by 2 rescue breaths. D. Defibrillation. Use an automated external defibrillator AED as soon as it's available and follow its voice prompts.
Number 3, how can performing CPR saves person's life? CPR involves chest compressions and mouth-to-mouth rescue breaths to aim to circulate blood and oxygen in the body, to keep the brain and vital organs alive until specialized treatment is available. 4. Why is checking the safety of the sense is important before performing CPR? Performing CPR is crucial to ensure the rescuers and victims' well-being as the sense itself could be hazardous. Rushing into an unsafe situation can result in another victim, making it impossible to help the original persons. You must identify dangers like traffic, fire, and unstable structures. Performing, approaching, and administrating aid, you cannot provide help if you become a victim by yourself. As an NCP student, why is learning CPR valuable to you and your community? Learning CPR as an NCP student is valuable because it provides life-saving skills for personal emergencies to empowers you to act confidently and crisis significantly, increasing a person's chance to survival by bridging the time gap until professional help arrives. For your community, it creates a safer environment by increasing the number of individuals trained to respond cardiac emergencies, boosting community safety and building a more prepared and resilient population.